Occupational health and safety. Asbestos. Asbestos. Asbestos was extensively used as a building material in the UK from the 1950s through to the mid-1980s. It was used for a variety of purposes and was ideal for fireproofing and insulation. Any building built before 2000, houses, factories, offices, schools, hospitals, etc., can contain asbestos. Asbestos is the greatest single work-related cause of death from ill health. Past exposure is now responsible for thousands of people dying from asbestos-related cancers every year. This is expected to increase because it can take 15 to 60 years for the disease to develop and there is no cure. How is asbestos dangerous? When materials containing asbestos are disturbed, damaged or allowed to deteriorate, asbestos fibres can be released into the air. Asbestos fibres are potentially fatal if they are breathed in. The fibres can enter the lungs and damage them, causing scars that stop the lungs working properly or even causing cancer. Who is likely to be exposed to asbestos fibres? Anyone who disturbs asbestos-containing materials, for example, by working on them or near them. Those most at risk are those who carry out building maintenance and refurbishment work, for example, electricians, joiners and heating engineers. What does the law require? Duty holders need to manage the risk from asbestos and make sure an assessment is made as to whether asbestos is or may be present in the building. This includes where the asbestos is or is assumed to be and what condition it is in. It should always be assumed that asbestos could be present until a full survey is done. A suitable and sufficient risk assessment should be made before carrying out any work that may expose employees to asbestos.